how to replace V-wheel. This car is S560. There are two V-wheels in this car. First for alternator and second for AC compressor. So this engine is V8. You can see here from top you cannot get the access to remove the V-wheel. So from bottom side you have to remove the protection plate, then you can get the access to remove this V-wheel. So first of all you have to lock the belt tensioner, then you can get the access to remove the V-wheel. So this one first you have to remove like AC compressor side, because another V-wheel inside of this belt.